Hello to everyone. Welcome to Coinity, where this is merely a coincidence. By following the precise tactics and tips in this video, I'll teach you how to earn $500 with Google News directly to your account. On this channel, you may pick up helpful knowledge about things like how to improve yourself and how to make money online. Just imagine what you could buy with that sum of money. In order to fully understand the processes, I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way through. When you watch the money rolling in uninterrupted, it can be tough to stop employing this money-making strategy. What if I told you that all you currently need is this Google News trick that will pay you $500 every day, without doing much work, to close the deal? We're about to investigate and find out. It's fantastic to watch videos and catch up on social media, but these activities don't really pay you for your time. I want to remind you that I'll cover a lot of essential information here, including how to sign up and some extra bonus advice for boosting your earnings. You can put everything I've explained into practice after watching this video, and you'll be pleasantly pleased by the earning possibilities this innovative strategy will provide for you. This is how to make $500 every day by using Google News trick. Let's now proceed with the first thing you need to do in order to make $500 every day using Google News trick. Head over to google.com on your browser. As the topic states, we shall be using Google to make $500 every day without much work. Pay great attention because this is very important. Let's get started now. I want you to enter Google News in the search bar, then I want you to click on this particular result. You will be taken to this website, where Google will display all of the latest news and happenings. After clicking that link, there are numerous items from various news sources that you will find as you scroll down, and they will differ according on where you are from. Therefore, as you can see, this news article was very recently uploaded. And then you also have this one, which was uploaded a few hours ago. You can click any of them if you want to read more. You may see a list of news article categories on the left, and by selecting one of them, more news items that are only about that topic will be displayed. So when you click on World News, you'll see news articles from around the world. Google will display news about businesses when you select business, while it will display sports news when you click sports. We've decided to use the health category for this video because it's a good niche and so it's important now. As you can see, the majority of the news items regarding health are related to the pandemic when you click on the word health, right here. There are numerous news stories listed as you scroll down. To read any of them, just click on the title of the piece. You must now begin copying an article as soon as you click on it. The important parts only need to be copied, the rest can be omitted. This is an extremely important stage since you need original content if you want to earn money, and I'll show you how to achieve that later. Pick out the key passages of the article for this phase, then carefully copy them. I therefore encourage you to not skip any part of this video. Now visit spinbot.com, an article spinning, text rewriting, and content creation tool. Just search for Spinbot on Google. You need to click on that one and you will come over to this page. In case you weren't aware, Spinbot is a free automated article spinner that will transform text that is now legible by humans into new content that is readable by intelligent beings. One of the best online tools for rewriting articles, Spinbot satisfies all of our requirements and helps us save a ton of time. This free article spinner is designed to rewrite sentences accurately. So when you paste your copied article here, Spinbot will actually rewrite the whole article so that it will become new. Now that you've copied the article, all you need to do is paste it into the box. Spinbot will actually display the number of characters you've copied and the number of characters remaining. As you can see, Spinbot has transformed your plagiarized essay into a brand new, distinct, and original one. You shall be using this AI tool together with Google News to make $500 every day. I'll demonstrate how you can use Spinbot to make money online in a moment. Because I'll be demonstrating to you how to do it step by step, this stage will be really important. And because I want you to succeed like I did, I will guide you throughout every turn. You will indeed earn a lot of money with this strategy. Sometimes, even more than $500 every day. With the help of the amazing tool like Spinbot, we can transform any content into something new and make money without experience needed. You can search for other news articles outside health-related news by picking out the important portions, copying them all, and pasting them into Spinbot. Then within a few seconds, you will now have a fully rewritten article, which is unique. And the best part is that it is copyright-free. Stay tuned because in case you missed anything, I'm going to give you 3 free tools that you can use in place of Spinbot and still make good money using Google News. Moving on swiftly, let me remind you that this is Coinity. On this channel, you'll learn the best and easy ways to earn money online fast without experience and no money needed from you. To ensure that you don't miss any new ways to make money online, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to turn the notification on for more every day. The first website tool aside from SpinBot that will help you make $500 daily using Google News is called iWriter. The site is accessible at iWriter.com. Find its link later in the pinned comment below. People can come here to have other people write their articles for them. This process is fairly easy. To write an article or other piece of material for this website, you must first sign up for a free account. Once you have the piece, you must submit it so that it may be reviewed. They will then compensate you for the work you completed. It's very easy. You might be wondering how much money writing articles will bring in. You can see that they provide 4 writing levels: Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus on their pricing page. You may see how much they will pay you per word by scrolling down below. As you can see, the biggest payout you can get for an article with 6,000 words is $435. Now, the next website that I will show you aside from SpinBot that you can use together with Google News to make $500 every day is called Scripted. It's accessible at scripted.com. The link is in the pinned comment below, you can find it later. As you can see, you should use independent writers for your content marketing. In general, this is somewhat like to the 2 websites I previously showed you, but the key distinction is that this website pays more. As you can see, all you have to do to earn over $1,200 is sign up for a free account. The fact that this website offers a highly competitive payment is one of its major features. You may grow your portfolio, work with great firms, write about the subjects you are knowledgeable about, work from anywhere at any time, and they offer excellent payment and project management. Simply click on this button to establish a free account on this website. Fill out the boxes with the necessary information, then click the blue button to continue. You can just keep sending articles to the websites I've listed by doing this every day. You should make sure to use this technique as soon as possible because it has a high earning potential. You can make $500 a day with Google News and the free web tools as easy as that. Another website that you can make money from together with Google News is called TextBroker. It's accessible at textbroker.com. Find the link later in the pinned comment below. For a range of undertakings, this website is the go-to source for article writing. It is the tried-and-true platform for quick and simple content creation outsourcing. You can see how much TextBroker pays its authors by clicking on I Write Material right here once you're on their homepage. From there, you'll be taken to this page. As you can see here, this is the money they pay per word. You can investigate it independently and carefully read each of these to get a sense of how much they will pay. But don't worry, because you won't be writing anything at all. SpinBot will be used to generate revenue from TextBroker. All you have to do to create a unique article is return to Google News, search for some excellent stories, and then run those items through SpinBot. You can use this earnings calculator to estimate how much money you could make from this website by simply scrolling down a little bit. You can see how much you can earn on this box by simply sliding this button. Let's see if you can write 2,000 words and see how much we can make. As you can see, they will pay $100 for every 2,000 words, and since SpinBot will handle all the work for us, you won't even need to write anything. The only thing you have to do to make money on SpinBot is copy and paste an article. Now that is great. You must first register an account with TextBroker in order to begin making money, but don't worry, this process is completely free. Simply click here to be led to this page, where you only need to fill out a few details before clicking the green button below to complete the sign-up process. Once you've created an account, you may start using TextBroker to make money. And now, if you want to make even more money, watch the next video to learn how you can earn money by watching ads online. This is a new method for making free PayPal money by simply doing nothing, which anyone can do, regardless of background. Yes, it is doable, and I'll show you precisely how to accomplish it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new content. As always, watch the next video to which shows you the best way to earn money online with free apps.